Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered how to make a rocket move precisely in a programming platform? Well, stay tuned because today I will teach you step by step how to create a sequence where a rocket moves 300 steps to the right, 500 steps up, and 300 steps to the left in Kitten Editor. Let's start coding. Go to the website and create file new to create a brand project. Open the library by clicking the plus sign, search for Rocket and select it. In the background section, choose a suitable background. Place the rocket at the starting point. Go to the Events tab and select when Start Cricket so the code executes when clicking the blue button. In Motion, select the block change X by 200 in 1 sec. Set it to 300 steps. Move right. Add the block point in direction 9 degrees to orient the rocket. Again, in motion, select change X by 200 in 1 sec. We'll change X to G and set it to 500 steps. Move up. Add change X by 200 in 1 sec again. We'll this time set it to less 300 steps. Move left. Click New Project and rename it. For example, Rocket example. Go to File, set to Local to download the file, then upload it to the corresponding platform. And that's it. That's how easy it is to make a rocket move in the direction you want using programming blocks. Now, tell me in the comments, what other object would you like to program? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell so you don't miss more content about programming and technology. See you in the next video.